আগৰ ভিডিঅ'টোত আমি পঢ়িলো ইকুইভেলেন্স ক্লাছ containing an element. Suppose A1 is a subset of say Z. A1 is equivalent to 0 hobo pare. A1 the subset A1 is equivalent to the class 1 hobo pare. 1 mane yat eta condition dibo je relation to x belongs to Z. X minus 1 is a multiple of 3c. This is the relation. Under this relation A1 is called an equivalence class. Eto ami already pohilo. Yat ami tumalokor exercise number 1.1 or question number 9 to pon. So question to dia ase je so that each of the relation are in the set A is given as x belongs to Z, 0 less than equal to x less than equal to 12, given by set the relation is the ordered pair AB such that modulus of A minus B is a multiple of 4, is an equivalence relation. Logote aru eta kotha dia ase, find all the elements, find the set of all elements related to 1. Find the set of all elements related to 1. It is related to 1 means class equivalence to 1. Set of all those numbers which are equivalent to 1. A1 equal to 1, equivalent to 0 hole 0 hobo, ya tomar 1 boli dise. tar mane A ba B konoba eta 1 hobo pare. Hetu ami last sam first ami dekhom je what is equivalence relation. The equivalence relation hole ki hobo lage, reflexive, symmetric aru transitive ami porikha koribo lagibo ei relation to. Solution. It is also here the set A is given. What is given? X belongs to Z, 0 less than equal to x less than equal to 12. 0 pora 12 hole ke natural amar integer bilak kon bilak 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Modulus of A minus B is a multiple of 4. Yate reflexive ami first ote samje reflexivity to ami porikha kenake korim. For any element x in A, ami samje same element to same element to jodi minus kor modulus of A minus B is a multiple of 4. 1 minus 1 say 0 minus 0 equal to 0 is a multiple of 4. 1 minus 1 equal to 0, 2 minus 2 equal to 0, 3 minus 3 equal to 0, 4 minus 4 equal to 0. Gotike for any x belongs to x, modulus of x minus x, reflexivity karone same number hobo lage, equal to ki hobo 0, which is a multiple of 4. So that is modulus of x minus x equal to 0. The ordered pair x belongs to the relation R. So R is reflexive. Eta bujhi pelane same element 1 minus 1 equal to 0 which is a multiple of 4. Etu hol reflexive. Eta ami symmetric karone sam. Symmetric ot ama ki lagibo, duta element lagibo. For any two elements x y, for any two elements, any ami in general x or y boli sao, for any x y belongs to R, we get modulus of x minus y is a multiple of 4. multiple of 4 is a multiple of 4 means that is x minus y equal to 4 of 4 times of say k বুলি আমি ধৰি লৈছো k is non zero any non zero number multiple of 4 হলে 4 to multiply হৈ থাকিব এটা পা আনটা এলিমেন্ট মাইনাস কৰিলে তাত 4 হ'ব also আমি এটো চাব পাৰো যে মডুলাস অফ y minus x y পৰা x বিয়োগ কৰি মডুলাস ললে কি হ'ব it is also multiple of 4 same হ'ব modulus of x minus y is equal to modulus of y minus x equal that is the ordered pair xy belongs to R implies that the ordered pair yx belongs to R therefore R is symmetric হ'ব multiple of 4 yx ইয়াতে আমি এক্সাম্পলটো চাব পাৰছো 1 minus 5 1 আৰু 5 suppose example এটা লৱা 1 আৰু 5 belongs to যদি r হয় that is modulus of 1 minus 5 equal to কিমান হ'ব 4 হ'ব which is a multiple of 4 or 5 1 যদি লও belongs to r modulus of 5 minus 1 equal to 4 বেলেগ এটা আমি চাব পাৰছো 2 10 belongs to r hole modulus of 2 minus 10 kiman hobo 8 hobo which is a multiple of 4 10 2 belongs to r modulus of 10 minus 2 is equal to ki hobo 8 hobo which is a multiple of 4 so r is symmetric yes a transitive হবলে হলে তিনটা এলিমেন্ট আমি লও for any xy belongs to R and yz belongs to R xy আৰু yz তেতিয়া আমি কি দেখাম xz the ordered pair xz belongs to z হয় নে নহয় আমি চাম xy belongs to r yz belongs to r ma dia mote ki pam ami a modulus of x minus y is a multiple of 4 and modulus of y minus z is also a multiple of 4 hobo hai na is a multiple of 4 modulus of x minus y modulus of x minus 4 এটা সব modulus of that is modulus of x minus y equal to say 4 এটা আমি lambda বুলি ধব পাৰো and modulus of yz is equal to 4 mu ধৰিলো এটা আমি চাও now x আৰু z লাগে ন so we consider modulus of x minus z এটো ললে আমি কি পাম mod x minus y plus y minus z এটো আমি কেনেকৈ লৈছো x minus z কেনেকৈ y cancel কৰিলে x আৰু z এ থাকিব x minus z so it is equal to 4 lambda x minus y 4 lambda plus 4 mu c 4 times of lambda plus mu which is a multiple of is khosa multiple of 4 it is correct so therefore the ordered pair xz belongs to r that is if xy belongs to r and yz belongs to r we get xz belongs to r so r is transitive তেতিয়াহলে আমি কি পাম r is transitive since r is reflexive symmetric and transitive since r is reflexive symmetric and transitive so r is an equivalence equivalence relation or is an equivalence relation. Equivalence relation হৈ গল ফার্স্ট পার্ট তো হৈ গৈছে এটা আমি দেখাব লাগে যে find the set of all elements related to 1 আমি কেনেকৈ পাম এই কথাটো চোৱাচোন set of all elements related to 1 sorry set of all elements related to 1 এটা আমাৰ ইয়াৰ ক্লাছটো কি হ'ব আমাৰ এলিমেন্টস বিলাক আছিল from 0 to 12 for related to 1 what is the relation to কি যে modulus of a minus b is a multiple of 4 modulus of a minus b is a multiple of 4 0 to 12 ৰ ভিতৰত multiple of 4 হোৱা কি আছে 0 হ'ব পাৰে 4 হ'ব পাৰে 8 হ'ব পাৰে 12 হ'ব পাৰে কিন্তু এটা চোৱা এটা ডিফাৰেন্স তো ইয়াত 0 ৰ পৰা 12 হলে a আৰু b আমি কোন গিটা সিলেক্ট কৰিম in such a way that their result is a multiple of 4 means 5 minus 1 equal to 4 which is a multiple of 4 আৰু কি হ'ব পাৰে 9 minus 1 is a multiple of 4 it is 8 which is a multiple of 4 so elements related to 1 is the set 5 and 9 which is the class equivalent to 1 it will answer okay thank you next video আমি functions বিষয়ে পঢ়িম next video তো তোমালোকে চাবা